Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I will be explaining you in detail when and how we can use the combination subtraction of 7. See the example, which is 4 plus 8 minus 7. In this example, let me clear my tool first. The example here is 4 plus 8 minus 7. 4 plus 8. We can do plus 8 by using the formula big friend addition of 8, which is plus 10 minus 2, right. Then we need to subtract 7. So, how we can do minus 7? So, here we need to subtract 7, but we can't, because direct subtraction of 7 here is not possible. Also, we can't apply the formula for big friend subtraction of 7. So, in this case we have to use combination subtraction of 7. Okay. Let me first write the formula. As we all know, the big friend subtraction of 7 is minus 7 is minus 10 plus 3, isn't it? Then I will be writing this formula in the form of combination formula. So, minus 7 is minus 10. What is the formula for small friend addition of 3? Which is plus 5 plus 3 is plus 5 minus 2, right. So, now this is the formula for combination subtraction of 7. So, we will be using this formula for solving some examples. Here I am taking the same example, which is 4 plus 8 minus 7. So, 4 plus 8 is plus 10 minus 2. This is the formula for big friend addition of 8. Then we need to subtract 7. So, we will be using combination subtraction of 7, which is minus 10 plus 5 minus 2. So, answer here is 5. Next example, 7 plus 5 minus 7. 7 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. This is the formula for big friend addition of 5. Then we need to subtract 7. So, we will be using the combination subtraction of 7 here, which is minus 10 plus 5 minus 2. So, answer here is also 5. Next example, 9 plus 5 minus 7. 9 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5, then minus 7 is minus 10 plus 5 minus 2. Answer here is 7. Next example, 74 minus 7 minus 7. So, 74 minus 7 is, here we can't subtract 7 directly. Also, it is not possible to apply the big friend subtraction of 7. So, in this case we have to apply the combination subtraction of 7, which is minus 10 plus 5 minus 2. Then we need to subtract 7 again. So, it can be done directly. This is minus 7. So, answer here is 60. Next example is 81 plus 1 minus 7. 81 plus 1 minus 7 is minus 10 plus 5 minus 2. The answer is 75. Next example, 5 plus 4 plus 3 minus 7. 5 plus 4 plus 3 is plus 10 minus 7, then minus 7 is minus 10 plus 5 minus 2. So, answer here is 5. Last example is 2 plus 2 plus 9 minus 7. 2 plus 2 plus 9 is plus 10 minus 1, then minus 7 is minus 10 plus 5 minus 2. So, answer here is 6. Here we have solved all these examples based on the formula minus 7 is minus 10 plus 5 minus 2. I hope you all are clearly understood how you have to use combination subtraction of 7. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.